Nina wakes up with little butterflies in her tummy. Today feels exciting and a little bit scary too. Mama smiles and holds Nina's hands gently. Every adventure starts with a small flutter, she says. Wow, the dentist waiting room looks like a tiny playtown. Nina's eyes grow wide with happy surprise. Nina stirs pretend soup in a tiny pot. She giggles and forgets she was ever nervous. Papa says ouch and pretends to be hurt. Nina laughs and helps him like a real doctor. A kind helper walks over with a warm smile. She speaks softly so Nina feels safe. Nina, it's your turn, the helper whispers. Nina feels curious and brave inside. The dentist room is bright, clean, and colorful. Nina holds Mama's hand and looks around carefully. Look at all the fun flavors: chocolate, mint, vanilla, grape, and cherry. Nina taps her chin and thinks hard. Which flavor should she choose? I choose grape, Nina says happily. Everyone smiles at her brave choice. Nina opens a shiny toothbrush box with a big smile. Pick one, she says, and Nina chooses a rainbow toothbrush with sparkling eyes. A kind dentist smiles and says hello to Nina. My name is Dr. Tooth Detective, he says gently, and Nina feels a little braver. The big chair looks a little scary. Nina feels nervous and wants Mama close. Nina sits in the big chair and feels a little worried. Mama stays close, holding Nina gently, reminding her she is safe and loved. The dentist gives Nina special glasses to wear. He smiles and says, "You are doing great," and Nina relaxes, feeling proud and brave. The tooth detective works very gently. Tap, tap, swish, swish. Everything feels okay. The grape cleaning tickles and makes Nina giggle. Her teeth shine like tiny pearls. Nina drops a coin into the toy machine. Clink! A surprise toy pops out. Nina walks out holding Mama and Papa's hands. She smiles and says, I can't wait to come back. Thank you for watching.